Let's get this straight here. These are not your ordinary people. These are the criminally insane. They will scare you. Yes, we found a couple of tools. It's the main one. What we have recovered here. We found a couple of their pictures that they like to take of their victims. These people like to come out one time a year, on October the 31st, and guarantee we will get them. I've never seen anything quite like this before. It's gotten worse. Dangerous even. I don't know. What is that? Oh God! Oh God! Ah!
So nice. Refuse to hear the garbage. Refuse to let you be my advice.
Oh my God, we're falling on the floor, falling over. Oh my God. Leon! Stop!
You don't really need candy. Go ahead. Oh my God.
I don't need candy, that's okay. What's the wrong way? Oh my God, wrong way.
Where are you going?
Get out of here.
Follow me.
Okay.
Wait a minute. What? Yo. Clown. What? This way. Oh my gosh, it's clown. We're just fun little people. We need love too, right?
Yeah, I'm ready to have.
All right. Hey, happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Oh
my God!
Hi there.
You guys do it really
Oh my God, no, great. Where are we supposed to go?
No, follow me.
Okay.
We didn't go in here.
Where did we go here? That's okay.
Hey. Hello. Boom.
Ah!
Oh,